Hi, I'm Rob King. Welcome to the Homebrew Master Plan. And today we've got a shootout, and this has been a fabulous drink, the Blue Moon clone. But does it actually match up to the original? Plenty of carbonation, nice white hair, very good clarity. Really good carbonation, nice white head, excellent clarity. So far, an interesting match. This is going to be a shootout and a half. Fortunately, I have two hands. Look at that. Very similar in colour too. What a lovely aroma this drink has. Malty sweet. Maybe that touch of coriander. Now I know what I'm looking for. I can sort of feel it there. Oh wow, incredible. So aroma, very similar. However, it is just a slightly lighter aroma on the homebrew than the original. Yeah, that's nice. That's got a good strength of aroma. This is a little bit more simple fragrant. But however, still a lovely aroma, still very similar between the two. There is a reason this is one of my favourite drinks. It is so smooth, lovely cold. It is very nicely carbonated. You can probably see the bubbles. And I do like a nice, highly carbonated drink. Mouthfeel's lovely and light, very quaffable. I know by the fact that I emptied my mini keg of this drink, but this is very similar. Smooth, cold, highly carbonated. There is just a touch of difference. I'm trying to pin it down. Lovely finish. The taste is so close, it's very hard to tell the difference. However, I do think in a blind tasting you would be able to identify a slight difference between the two. It's very difficult though to actually pin down what that taste difference is. Okay, well, rather than struggle with it, let's take a good healthy sip and see if we can work out some of the differences, if there are any. I love this drink. This is delicious. Right, cheers. I think my homebrew just is a touch drier. I think that's the taste I'm struggling to describe. I think it is just a smidgen drier than the original, but otherwise they are both very similar. This recipe is top notch. It has been a delicious drink. This is the original Blue Moon. And this is the homebrew. Well, this has been great fun. Thank you for watching. Cheers everybody. Do like and subscribe, and good health. Check out the link above for the full grain to glass recipe.